Hello and welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
Karela Pure Extract. Bitter but sweet. When I was a child, I was never ever wanted the bitter god even enter our home. Many of us felt the same until my mother cooked it in a way that was unbelievable. From that day, I went fascinated for Karela. I was unaware of the fact that Karela, I mean bitter gourd, can have that delicious taste after being cooked. Well, that was my story. And I know my lovely viewers are also reminding their stories regarding the same. Firstly, the common knowledge is that the bitter gourd, Karela, it exhibits various health benefits along with its bitterness. Recommendation for adding Karela in our diet is very popular in medical field. Introduction of Karela. Familiarity of Karela is almost very normal as it liked by our parents and their whole generation. People having diabetes and people those are on dieting prefer a glass of Karela juice daily. Apart from blogging, I would like to my lovely viewers' attention towards today's matter of discussion, which is none other than the bitter gourd. It is a vegetable, or can say tropical and subtropical vine, that belongs to Cucurbitaceae family. Botanically known as Momordica caranthia, its cultivation is wide in our continent. It is different from other vegetables and known for its unique shame and bitterness. Bitterness of Karela is due to momordicine present in it. Karela from field to us. The bitter gourd means Karela propagation by means of seeds, either by direct seeding or by transplanting method. Karela cultivation takes place in the month of January to the month of March for summer season. We require 4 to 5 kilograms of seeds in order to sow in 1 hectare of the land. Usually, drip irrigation is the efficient method for irrigating this crop. Farmyard manure and other essential fertilizer are important to the crop. It depends upon the soil type and its fertility as well. After 50 to 60 days, the crop gets ready to harvest. In order to harvest the bitter gourd crop, it is necessary that the fruits of this crop are still younger and tender. Karela is then dried and further processed for the extract preparation. All these processes ensure that the whole method does not involve any additive or substitute. Therefore, the product extract is pure from every aspect. Health benefits exhibited by the bitter gourd. It is helpful edible thing with the view of health and medicinal perspective. Its benefications are as follows. First, blood sugar level regulation. As it is already have mentioned in the first section of this article, it is widely popular among the patients of diabetes as it imparts the excellent characteristics of regulating blood sugar levels. It contains beneficial compounds, they are carnitine and vaccine, which are responsible to lower the glucose level, and also polypeptide P, which is present in bitter gourd. This acts like insulin in the body. It enhances the glucose absorption by the body cells and that how it reduces the blood sugar levels. Second, beneficial for skin. Karela consumption is beneficial for skin as it treats diseases related to skin like itching, rashes, acne, ringworm, boils, and many other things. This extract is taken as juice in order to get rid of these kind of skin related problems. Third, used for respiratory ailments also. In old days, the Karela extract was taken by asthma patients. It is also beneficial against other respiratory disorders. Besides asthma, for these kind of disorders, bitter gourd extract is better to take along with honey and tulsi in order to make it less bitter and also to get health benefits of honey and tulsi as well. Fourth, excellent for weight loss. A vast population is running behind weight loss. Some are dieting, some are taking gym membership, avoiding oily food, and many more things to tell over this. But one thing that is very common among all of them is it is well known by everyone that bitter gourd mean Karela juice can aid a large segment to their weight loss plan. As the bitter gourd or Karela extract is taken as the juice empty stomach in the morning is far beneficial than taking chemical health supplements. Karela juice makes you feel full for a long period of time throughout the day. Whether you are working and running busy with your office work or just chilling sitting in front of TV and doing nothing, the Karela will suppress your appetite and craving as well and makes you avoid unnecessary eating. Fifth, Karela extract lowers the cholesterol. We all get nervous when get to know about our raising cholesterol level, and why shouldn't we? Cholesterol is directly associated with diabetes, health issues regarding liver, and also with cardiovascular disorders. It is matter of concern that how could cholesterol be minimized to stay fit every time. The Karela extract contains the compounds that act on enzymes and lower the cholesterol levels. Sixth, Karela treats piles and constipation as well. Karela is rich in fiber that is very beneficial with view of fighting against constipation and also imparting early relief. Regular consumption of Karela or bitter gourd is an important recommendation for getting faster relief against the constipation. And Karela extract juice is usually better along with the buttermilk in order to get relief from piles. Nutritional content in Karela extract: calories 21 kilocalories, protein 1 gram, fat 0 gram, fiber 3 gram, carbohydrate 5 gram, sugar 0 gram, cholesterol 0 gram, and sodium 6 milligram. Importance of Karela extract. The bitter gourd, better known as Karela, contains a large amount of all the nutrition that we should take on daily basis. Additionally, it contains antioxidants as well. Karela is very rich in vitamin A, C, thiamine, riboflavin, iron, calcium, zinc, potassium, and magnesium. Various anti-inflammatory compounds are present in the bitter gourd. Conclusion: the things are actually not like the way we think. Means, whenever we hear about Karela, we show the reactions of uninterest. Besides that, getting ill by any health disorder, we will have to add it to our meal and medicines as well. So why should not we add it happily to our meals, imparting various health benefits, and it really tastes better if we cook it in a proper way. Besides cooking, there are various ways of Karela consumption like capsules, extracts. Making it a part of our life will benefit us only, and no side effect is reported till the date. So, what are you waiting for? Add the bitter gourd to your diet and take every possible health benefit and boost your immunity with the one which is bitter but sweet.
Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.